Hello friend, today I'll make cilantro jamun chili. How to make cilantro jamun chili? I'll show you recipe. This is the jamun and cilantro infused vodka and this is chili, green chili, cilantro fresh and fresh jamun, 5 jamun nicely modeled, some cilantro, and this is green chili. This is jamun infused vodka, 60 ml. This jamun syrup, 30 ml, and 30 ml. This is butterfly pea, 30 ml lime juice, now lots of ice for shaking. I use this glass, martini glass, and this is rim with chili and salt. Pour the glass. See color, nice color came. Jamun, real jamun color. And top with this is magic masala. I made this magic masala. Garnish with lime and jamun. This is called jamun chili, cilantro jamun chili.